Alright guys, this is my 2006 Honda Cbr600RR. So I had some issues starting the bike. When I would turn on the switch, there would be no lights, no fuel pump. You would crank, but you wouldn't start. So I checked all the fuses, the fuses are right here on the left side of the bike. I checked the fuses, then I checked the relays was good, but there was no ground to the relays right here. And then what I did, I put a straight ground from this right here to the relay, and the fuel pump came on. So I got to start it, but later what I found was, if you see on the left side, if you take out the covers, you'll see this yellow thing. One of the wires was burned, so I took the wire out, I put it here, and it got ground. The lights came on, the fuel pump came on, and the bike started. So just uploading this for anyone who probably has the same problem. Just make sure to check all the fuses first. You have the main fuse right here, you have another fuse on this one, you have some fuses here. Make sure your relays are good. Then not maybe check this, because I see on the internet a lot of people had the same problem. So just make sure to check this one if it's not burned or anything.